Welcome to Circuit Buddy. Today we will be discussing about abductor muscles. Abductor muscles are those muscles which help the body parts to move away from the sagittal line of the body, okay? And now I will give you some important tricks which will help you to memorize the abductor muscles very easily. So first of all, let us discuss about the abductor muscles of the abductor muscles of the hand and wrist, okay? I call it the car lab, okay? So a lab or laboratory for cars. Now how can it help you to remember the abductor muscles present in hand and wrist? C and R stands for carpi radialis, okay? So carpi radialis, okay? Now carpi radialis are of two types. One is flexor and the other is extensor. So I will say extensor carpi radialis, and then you have L and B. One is longus, L for longus, and B for brevis. So longus means long and brevis means short, okay? So extensor carpi radialis longus, and the other muscle will be extensor carpi radialis brevis, okay? So these are the three abductor muscles present in hand and wrist. Now we will be talking about the muscles, the abductor muscles in the fingers, okay? So let us write it here, fingers. Suppose you have a WhatsApp group, okay? And in the midnight you are messaging in the group and you are disturbing the admin. So we can tell it that admin disturbed, okay? So admin disturbed. Now you see that there are two words, okay? One is admin and the other one is disturbed. Admin means A and D, that is abductor digiti minimi, okay? A, D and min. So abductor minimi, okay? So abductor, as it is an abductor muscle and it is digiti, DGT, that is D, and MIN, min. So mini me, okay? So it is one of the muscles, abductor muscles present in the fingers, and the other one is disturbed, okay? So disturbed actually stands for D and I, that is dorsal interossei, okay? So it is dorsal interossei, okay, muscles. So these are the abductor muscles of the fingers. Now we will be talking about the abductor muscles of the thumb, okay? How can we remember this? Let us write it here, thumb. Suppose you want one of your poems to be published in a magazine, okay? And you are requesting the publisher. So I can tell it as please publish, okay? And he gives you a thumbs up, okay? That means approval. So thumb abductor muscles are PL, that means pollicis longus, and PB, that means pollicis brevis, and they are abductor muscles. So the one of the muscle will be abductor pollicis longus. Okay, so PL means pollicis longus, and the other one is abductor pollicis, pollicis brevis. Okay, so abductor pollicis brevis. Now we will be talking about the abductor muscles of the lower limbs. For this I have to erase the board. Please take a screenshot if you want it. Now let us talk about the abductor muscles of the femur at hip. Okay, so the lower limb abductor muscles. Okay, lower limb. So first of all we will be talking about the femur of femur. Okay, now I call it special glue. Suppose you are working with a special glue, okay, and a little amount of glue is attached to your thumb region. Okay, so we can call it special glue. This is the trick to remember the abductor muscles of the femur. So how can it help us? S means sartorius. Sartorius. So it is an important muscle. Okay, then you can see we have P, that is piriformis. So piriformis. Okay, and then we have the glue, that means gluteus maximus, gluteus minimus, okay, and gluteus okay, medius. So medius. So there are 5 muscles in the lower limb that are abductors: sartorius, piriformis, and gluteus maximus, gluteus minimus, and gluteus medius. And now we will be talking about the toe. So of toe. How can you remember the abductor muscles of the toe? For this, just remember that, just for example, I am giving you a very important example. Suppose a person cannot count his toes, okay, and so people call him dummy. Okay, so dummy means stupid. So he is a dummy. He is a dummy. That means if you write it here, he is a dummy. Okay, so he is a dummy. H means hallucis. Okay, and as it is an abductor, so we can call it abductor hallucis. Abductor hallucis, one of the muscles, has been written here. And the other one is abductor digiti minimi. So DM, digiti, and M means minimi. Okay, minimi. And other one is dorsal interossei of foot, and you know that in both the cases they are present in toe and in the hands. So I am not giving any trick for this, extra trick for this dorsal interossei of the foot. Okay, and there is a spelling mistake, that is R. Now we will be talking about the eyeballs. Now eyeball. Okay, to remember the abductor muscles of the eyeball, just remember this word, orbit of the eye. Okay, so orbit, here R means rectus muscle and O means oblique muscles. Okay, so what is the name? The name is lateral rectus muscle. So this is lateral, means sidewise, and here oblique muscles are of two types. One is the superior and the inferior. So one is the superior oblique muscle and the other is inferior oblique muscles, which are abductor muscles of the eyeball. Thank you very much once again to enjoy the video with me, and hope you have enjoyed the video too. Thank you very much once again. Please subscribe my channel so that you can get future notifications whenever I post a new video like this. And please comment whether you liked it or not. And please comment on which topics should I make videos. Thank you very much once again.